How to fix Signal RGB not working. So first of all, make sure you are getting the actual app. You can download it directly in their official website, and this will ensure you have downloaded the latest version as well. But once that's all done, go directly back into your Signal RGB app. First thing you want to go ahead and check is into your settings. Make sure the conflicts is automatically closing. You can turn this on over here. So when this is enabled, Signal RGB will attempt to automatically close all conflicting programs while it is running. So if you go ahead and try opening up other RGB apps, so Signal RGB will automatically close this. So as you can see over here, conflicting process closed. So make sure that is on. You can also go ahead and make sure your device is compatible with Signal RGB. So most devices are available for Signal RGB, but you can just go ahead and double check if it is available. And if the device is missing over here, it's either it's not properly connected to your device or your PC, or it's now available. And if that's the case, you can request for it to be added as well if you'd like. And also when you're opening Signal RGB, make sure you are running it as administrator. In some cases you really don't have to do this, but just to make sure, you can just go ahead and search for Signal RGB, and when you're opening the app, press on run as administrator. But those are some things you can look out for that can possibly help you fix your Signal RGB. You can also reset the app itself after doing all this, but hopefully the information of this video can potentially help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.